Yeah. So today we are going to understand the detail about photosynthesis. Okay. We are going to discuss detail about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. So you know what is photosynthesis? We have already been discussed that in first part of our nutrition chapter. Okay. So like in photosynthesis, the process. It is the process. It is the process in which green plants absorb water from the soil through roots and carbon dioxide from the surrounding or atmosphere through stomata present on dorsal surface of the leaf. Dorsal surface of the leaf and converts it means carbon dioxide and water. Okay, it means carbon dioxide and water. Okay, into food. Okay, food in the form of glucose. This is 6H12O6. Okay, and releases oxygen gas. Oxygen in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, this process is called as photosynthesis. This process is called as photosynthesis. Okay, understood beta what is photosynthesis? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that we have already discussed in the first part of our nutrition chapter. Now, see photosynthesis. Yes, beta.
Sir, there is some problem with your screen. Sir, I'll log out and log in one time. Can you approve me, sir?
Okay, we'll do that. Anudeep.
Yes, sir.
Now?
Yeah, it's good now, sir. Continue.
Okay. So, see, we have discussed a very simple definition, or we can say the process of photosynthesis. Okay, but it is not quite simple as the definition is. Okay, so photosynthesis process is very complex. Photosynthesis process is a complex process, is a complex one. Okay, it completes in it completes in series of steps. Series of steps. Series of steps means many steps, or in many steps. Okay, and these steps are divided into two parts. Okay, that means the process of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis is divided into two main steps. Okay, one is called dark reaction. First one is called light reaction. And another one is called as dark reaction. Light reaction means the process which depends on light. The process which depends on light, or we can say the light dependent reaction. It is the light dependent step. Okay, and dark reaction means light independent movement. That reaction can perform in daytime only, but the light is not required for that. Okay, that's why it is light independent reaction or step. Light independent step or reaction. Yes, we had to write a reaction. Okay, instead of writing step, we have to write reaction. Okay, so now we are going to understand in detail about light dependent reaction means light reaction, and light independent reaction means dark reaction. Okay, beta, understood that part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want you all to take a screenshot for that. Wait a second. Yeah, now take a screenshot. It is visible, everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now take a screenshot for that, and you have to make notes for that, whatever I am writing on the screen. Okay. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
let
sir.
me erase this part. Okay, now we are going to discuss about light reaction and dark reaction in detail. Okay, so here we have light reaction, okay, and dark reaction. So the photosynthesis is the process of conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Okay, so the radiation coming from the sun, okay, radiation or we can say radiant energy. Radiant energy of sunlight is converted into chemical energy. Okay, that means the bond between hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Okay, so this is nothing but the photosynthesis process. Okay, into the chemical energy, which can be utilized by the living organism. Okay, which can, that energy which is converted into chemical form, okay, which can be utilized by the organism to sustain life. Okay, which can be utilized by living organism, whether they are plant or animal or microorganism, doesn't matter. Okay, if they are living organism, means they will utilize that energy to sustain life. Okay, by living organism to sustain life, or instead of sustain life, we can say to stay alive. Okay, it is rather the complex process, means the photosynthesis process is very complex and which carried out in various stages. Okay, so photosynthesis comprised in two main phase. Okay, means two main process called light reaction and dark reaction. Okay, one is called light reaction and another one is called as dark reaction. Okay, the first phase of the photochemical phase. Okay, first phase is the photochemical phase. Okay, I am writing underlining it into the box so that you can highlight easily. Okay, so it is the photochemical phase. It is also called as the light dependent process because light is required for this process. That's why it is called as photochemical phase. Photo means light, and chemical means the chemical. Means light energy is going to convert into chemical energy. Okay, only conversion part takes place here. This phase is commonly known as the light reaction. Okay, and this phase or the part is called as light reaction. Okay, so this is the first phase. Now, second one. The second phase of the is the biosynthetic phase. Again, very important. It is the biosynthetic phase and it is the light independent process. It is light independent process. That's why it is also called as dark reaction because light is not required for that. So dark is is not mean that it is going to take place in night time in a dark. No, dark means there is no requirement of light energy in this process. Okay, that's why it is called as dark reaction. Understood? Light reaction and dark reaction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The whole process of photosynthesis takes place within the chloroplast and both the processes that takes place in chloroplast. Okay, Vida?
Okay, sir.
Now take a screenshot. I'm going to scroll it down now. Done?
Sir?
Yes, Beta?
No, sir. So photosynthesis has two phases: light reaction, dark reaction.
Yes.
So can you repeat, sir, what is light and what is dark?
See, here these 2 points are given, Beta. First point is the first phase is called as photochemical phase. Okay, it is the light it is light dependent process. That's why it is called as light reaction. Okay, you want me to write?
No need, sir. Light dependent process. And next.
Okay, the second phase is called as biosynthetic phase. For that, light is not required. That's why it is called as dark reaction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And both the processes takes place in inside the chloroplast only. Okay. Okay. So have you taken the screenshot because I'm going to scroll down?
Yes, sir. Take it.
Okay. 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 Now, see in this diagram. Okay. first what happens? See, here we have first option one, which is a thylakoid, which is a thylakoid. It is a part of chloroplast. Then we have this part is called as stroma. Okay, this green part, okay, is called as stroma. Here we have the name for that, stroma. And third one is called as chloroplast. This outer, layer means this whole system is called as whole system of the cell is yes, of the plant cell is called as chloroplast. And all the dark and light reaction takes place inside the chloroplast only. Okay. Yep. So first we will understand theory, then we will understand one more time the diagram. Okay. So first we are going to understand the theoretical part. Let me check if somebody is in waiting room or what. Yes, Himanshu and Ahil Ahmed. Yeah. Himanshu and Ahil.
Yes, sir.
You came late na beta?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. I was 15 minutes late, sir, because.
Sir, I joined early.
Okay. Not an issue. I think your side network is not working properly. Many students, they are, exiting from the class and they are rejoining again and again. Okay. Ahil?
Yes, sir.
Network is working properly on from your side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I can see here two accounts you have here.
Sir, Akil, sir. Akil Ahmed.
Okay, Akhil and Ahil. Oh. No. I'm having two accounts from the same name, Ahil Ahmed. Akhil is having a different account. Okay, not an issue. Okay, now we are going to understand the light and dark reaction. Okay. So light reaction and dark reaction, now we are going to understand in detail. Light reaction and dark reaction. As stated above, photosynthesis occur in two phases. We already seen that photosynthesis takes place in two phases. First one is called as light reaction and another one is called as dark reaction. So here we are going to understand first about the light reaction. So the light reaction is the light dependent process. Okay, it is also called as photosynthetic process. Okay, so the light reaction is nothing but it is the light dependent process which include the series of events such as absorption of light energy, then hydrolysis process, then release of oxygen and formation of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate and NADPH. It is nicotinamide adenine diphosphate. Okay. These two molecules are formed. See, there are many steps in light reaction. First one is absorption of light energy. Then hydrolysis process is the second process. Then release of oxygen means formation of oxygen is the third step. And the formation of ATP and NADPH is the fourth step. Okay. So in light reaction, these four events take place in order to complete the light reaction. Okay. So the light reaction of photosynthesis initiate only when it's supplied with light energy. Okay. Otherwise, if light energy will not present, then there is no photosynthesis reaction going to take place. Okay. So light is very essential for the photosynthesis reaction. That's why it is called as photosynthesis. And photo means light. Okay. So in order to start the photosynthesis reaction, light is required. Which light? Sunlight. Okay. The two photosystems in plant. Okay. We have one more point here. The photosystem is arrangement of pigment. Okay, so what is photosystem? Is nothing but the arrangement of pigment called chlorophyll. It includes chlorophyll and within the thylakoids. Okay, chlorophyll within the thylakoids. In thylakoids, chlorophyll is present. We will discuss this in this diagram. Okay, so first we have to cover the theoretical part, then we will discuss one more time about the diagram. Okay, so here we have thylakoid, okay, which present inside the chloroplast. Okay, so first reaction takes this is the light reaction. So first reaction takes place in thylakoid only. Okay, in thylakoid. Okay, now see here what happens here. Absorption of water, it is the first event. Then release of oxygen is the second event, and formation of ATP and NADHP, it is the third event takes place here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next part. Now this process have the two photosystems in plant. One is called PS1, which is photosystem 1, and PS2 is called photosystem 2. Okay, so in photosystem 1, absorption of light takes place within the wavelength, okay, approximate about 700 nanometer, whereas in photosystem 2, absorption of light wavelength around 680 nanometer. Okay, so we can say this process takes place within the 700 nanometer to 680 nanometer. It is the visible wavelength of light. Okay, that light reaction, okay, absorb the light energy between 700 nm to 680 nm. Okay, beta?
NM meaning nanometer.
It is nanometer, yeah. The light reaction occurs in the thylakoid only. We have already seen in diagram that light reaction takes place in thylakoid. Okay, of the chloroplast. Okay, in chloroplast, thylakoid is present. Thylakoid is responsible for the absorption of light energy within the light wavelength range between 700 to 680 nanometer. Okay, when the light hits chlorophyll, okay, when light hits the chlorophyll, that chlorophyll get excited to the higher energy level because it absorbs light energy, and when it absorbs light energy, its energy will increase, so it switches from lower energy level to higher energy level. Okay, that followed by the series of reaction. Okay, and there are many reaction takes place that we already discussed before. This energy is converted into energy molecule in the form of ATP and NADPH. What is ATP? It is adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH means nicotinamide. Yes, nicotinamide adenine diphosphate. Okay, by using PS1 and PS2 in both the process, you know, the light energy is being absorbed, and that light energy, we called it radiant energy, which is converted into the chemical energy. And during the process, hydrolysis of water, the hydrolysis process takes place, and along with oxygen is also releases. Okay, all these steps are given in diagram itself. Okay, see, when light falls on the chloroplast, chloroplast becomes more activate. Okay, inside the chloroplast, thylakoids are present. This is the thylakoids. Okay, so here we have the first name, it is nothing but the thylakoid. Okay, so thylakoid absorb, you know, light energy, and during the absorption of light energy, oxygen gas is released because many events take place, many series of reaction takes place there, and hydrolysis also process takes place, and during the process ATP and NADPH are released. This is the third event that takes place during the light reaction. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the dark reaction. Okay, so the dark reaction is also called as carbon fixing reaction. Okay, that chemical energy, see what happens here, light energy converted into converted into chemical energy. Chemical energy in first reaction called light reaction. Okay, now that chemical energy is going to fix in the form of carbon compound called carbohydrate. Carbon compound, okay, called carbohydrate, or we can say glucose also. The formula is C6H12O6. Okay, or we can say it is nothing but the food prepared by the plant. Okay, so this reaction takes place in without presence of light. That's why it is called as dark reaction. It is called as dark reaction because light is not required here to convert to fix chemical energy into the carbon compound form. No light energy is required for that. That's why it is called as dark reaction. It is light independent process. There is no need of light. Okay, in which sugar molecules are formed. See that chemical energy is converted into the carbohydrate. So carbohydrate, higher carbohydrate are called as sugar. Okay, and sugar we have maltose, sucrose. Okay, these are nothing but the different sugars. Okay, and carbon dioxide and water molecules are used that time. Okay, molecules are formed, and let's repeat one more time. It is a light independent process in which sugar molecules are formed and carbon dioxide and water molecules are used. Okay, in this process, carbon. See, I am going to write reaction here. It is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O. Okay, so here carbon dioxide and water are being used. Okay, and it convert into C6H12O6 and oxygen is releases. Okay, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, so once the light energy convert into chemical energy, that chemical energy is fixed into the carbon compound form called sugar. Okay, by using water and carbon dioxide. The dark reaction occurs in stroma. Okay, see here we have stroma. Okay, this green part is called a stroma. Okay, that stroma. See here, what happens here? That carbon dioxide is being used and water is also used here. Okay, and during the process, that sugar molecules is formed. Okay, that process takes place in that green part called stroma. Okay, now next part. Where were we? Here. Of the chloroplasts, where they utilize the product of the light reaction. Okay, whatever the product which is formed in light reaction, that is nothing but the chemical energy which is converted into the carbon compound called carbohydrate. Wait a second. Okay, understood beta, that much part. Now we are going to discuss the next point. Plant capture the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, through the stomata that we have discussed in definition of photosynthesis, and proceed to the Kelvin cycle. Okay, here Kelvin cycle takes place, that Kelvin cycle, and which do not require light. Okay, this is the Kelvin cycle. It is Kelvin cycle. Okay, in Kelvin cycle, carbon dioxide and water are utilized to form sugar. Okay, the Kelvin cycle, the ATP and NADPH formed during the light reaction derive the reaction for the conversion of 6 molecule of the carbon dioxide into 1 sugar. See here, 6 carbon dioxide molecule, they are utilized along with 6 water molecule to form 1 molecule of sugar. It is C6H12O6. Okay. So here, plant capture the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the stomata and proceed the Calvin cycle. In Calvin cycle, the ATP is used, NADPH is also used in order to produce energy. Okay, and they form that product which is formed during the light reaction, which is also going to utilize in dark reaction and convert into the 6 molecule of carbon dioxide into 1 sugar molecule. Okay, that sugar molecule is nothing but called as glucose. That is nothing but called as glucose. Okay, so both the processes takes place inside the chloroplast. Okay, so this is all about the light and dark reaction. Any doubt you have beta here?
No, sir.
Okay, I want you to take a screenshot one by one. I think you have taken screenshot till here now. So yes, now take a first screenshot from here. Wait a second. Yes. Wait again. Wait. Yeah. From here you can take first screenshot. Just let me know if done. Huh? Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now take second screenshot from here for dark reaction. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think we have completed our first session because we have only 1.5 minutes left. So any doubt you have? Okay. So I'm going to disconnect and
Sir,
then,
can you display dark reaction one time?
yep. Done?
Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So what we'll do, we will disconnect, then we will rejoin to complete this part where we are going to discuss about the difference between light reaction and dark reaction. Okay, and we will discuss about your doubts also. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to disconnect now. I want everybody have to join within a minute. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Prithiva?
Yes, sir.
And Pratyunsha, we have completed our first part. We are going to disconnect and you have to rejoin. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because we completed our first 40 minutes session. Yeah, you have to rejoin beta. Huh?